As COVID cases do rise, there is renewed concern about getting infected with the virus, even if you are fully vaccinated.
And many of those people are wondering if having a cough or a fever means they've contracted COVID. Orco Manna joining us now live with what local doctors are saying about this. Orco?
Well, Denise and Brian, experts say it's important to remember that the pandemic is not over yet. While our state has reopened and mask mandates are gone, we still need to be vigilant. That includes instances when fully vaccinated people start to feel sick. COVID cases in Clark County are rising. The Delta variant is more easily transmissible, and local vaccination rates are plateauing.
I think it is something to be, a little bit concerned about.
While those who are fully vaccinated are less at risk of getting hospitalized, there's still a small chance of contracting COVID.
We know that the vaccine is not a silver bullet, but it is extraordinarily effective. Even in the face of these variants, it is your best defense against this virus.
So what if you're fully immunized and suddenly feel sick? How do you know if it's a rare COVID case or just a cold?
Unfortunately, it's really not possible to distinguish whether or not you have COVID, the Delta variant, or sometimes even the common cold. The only way to know for sure if you have COVID is to get tested for COVID.
Experts add, with all the measures we've taken to prevent COVID and now that masks are not required,
we are going to see an increase in some of these other transmissible viruses.
Even in those cases, you're recommended to be cautious.
If you're sick with anything, you shouldn't be going out in situations where you can spread disease to others. Whether it's COVID or flu or anything else, you shouldn't be spreading that disease to other people.
And when it comes to COVID, if you're with crowds of people and unsure of their vaccination status,
it really probably is in your best interest to wear a mask, even if the CDC doesn't mandate it.
Now, because our vaccination rates are not at the herd immunity threshold yet, state and local leaders are trying to ramp up their efforts. The governor announced today that the state will be launching more mobile vaccination units at targeted locations and will also be adding new providers to make sure that they can administer the vaccines directly to patients. Reporting live in Las Vegas tonight, Orco Manna, 8 News Now.